Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
One more really hot one on tap for today, and I think today we're going to add a little more humidity to it too. So like yesterday, by 11 o'clock, those numbers pushing 90 by lunchtime, getting close to 100. And then I think getting there, or at least trying to get there early this afternoon. The one thing that could be working in our favor, some showers going to try to develop. Hopefully they'll start sooner, not later, and then we can either prevent the temperatures from getting there in the first place or knock them down a little bit after being there for only a shorter period of time. We had parts of like 6 hours yesterday where those temperatures were up over 100 degrees. That's a lot of hot. Now, we've got some watches, some advisories out there for today. The heat advisory is when we expect that heat index to be up over 108, and that's for most of our area like it was yesterday. The combination of the heat plus the humidity, it's going to feel rough out there. But along the coast, and for most of Taylor County, Lafayette County, Dixie County, we've got the excessive heat watch, and that's where it's possible that heat index value can get up over 112, so more humidity, lots of hot, dangerous conditions. So if you're going to be outdoors, especially during those peak daytime heating hours, like 11 to 5, make sure you're listening to your body, you're taking the breaks, you're finding the shade, you're drinking that cold water, and if you can, find a few times to get a 10 or 15 minute break inside some air conditioning to really let that body temperature come down a bit. It's starting off at 80 in Cross City this morning, a bit on the warm side. Quincy, one of the cooler ones, at 73. Thomasville, we're at 75. Tallahassee starting off at 77. Not a lot of wind out there, but that breeze today is going to shift a little bit more southwest and even towards the southeast. That's where some of that humidity comes from. And while I don't see a lot of fog out there this morning, a spot like Live Oak does have some reduced visibility. We're going to find more fog over the weekend. Now, a couple of sprinkles on the I-75 corridor late last night was nice. I think we can get more of those at times today. Pretty good chances for especially eastern areas to see showers today, but even better chances for everybody to see some shower opportunities tomorrow and maybe even into Sunday. So more rain chances over the weekend, more clouds. That should keep the temperatures down. So we got to deal with this heat one more time for today. Now there is a little bit of energy coming off the coast of Africa. We've got our eyes on it. Doesn't look like it's doing anything right away, but there is at least a chance over the next 5 to 7 days for some development, maybe about a 50-50 chance. So we'll certainly keep our eyes on it. A good reminder that we're at that point in the year now where some things do start to develop. On the Gulf, a little bit more breezy today. Winds out of the west and southwest, 12 to 22. This morning, it's 70s and 80s. This afternoon, probably near 100, but I think we get a couple of shower opportunities to knock those temperatures down. Tonight, it's mid-70s. It's muggy, and it's going to be a little bit more foggy tomorrow morning. I do see better chances to get wet tomorrow. We need it. And then maybe we can actually have some typical seasonable late June weather starting Sunday.